Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Time of recording this is 15:08 on Wednesday, the 22nd of December 2021, and this will be our last ever day filming for the Christmas with Jamie 2021 series. This might possibly be the last video of the year. So today we're going to be train spotting at Carngranny AHB. We're only going to see one train again. So for the last time, I will see you whenever the train comes. Ouch, that bar sounds bad. So we got 3014 to Portadown via Great Victoria Street. We don't normally see trains go down to Portadown on this line. But anyways, that's sadly the last ever day I'll be filming this year, I think. So I will see you tomorrow for Christmas with Jamie, day 23, and it will be unseen footage from like October or something. Same at day 24. So I will see you later. Goodbye.